The friends of Allah, the friends of Allah, they are the friends of Allah, the friends of Allah, the friends of Allah, the friends of Allah, they are the friends of Allah, the friends of Allah.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen. Amma ba'd. Fa'awudhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. As-salatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulallah. As-salatu wassalamu alayka ya Habiballah. As-salatu wassalamu alayka ya Nabiyallah. Wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Nurallah. Dear viewers of Madani Channel and respected elders, the topic today, the love of the Awliya for Sayyidina Rasulullah, for all of the masters, for all of the kings, the one and only, the reason of creation. Imam Malik, his love for hadith, when people would come, he would ask them, do you want me to teach you the hadith? And they say, there. He would say, wait there. He would clean himself. He would wear itar. He would change his clothes, wear beautiful clothing, scent the entire room. And then he would call the person to sit down. And then he would start teaching the hadith of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala wasallam. Let's look at the life of Imam Jalaluddin Suyuti Ash-Shafi rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh. Imam Jalaluddin Suyuti rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh, when people asked him that how many times have you seen the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu wasallam? He says, I have seen the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu wasallam in a wakeful state more than 70 times. It's very easy to say these things, but it's very hard to achieve these things. Why did I say that we have problems in our houses and we don't get ziyarat of Sayyidina Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Allah give us all the ziyarat of Sayyidina Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam here and in the qabr and on the day of judgment in a beautiful state, inshallah, where he is pleased with us. But this is the same Imam Jalaluddin Suyuti. You know why he attained this rank, dear viewers on Madani Channel? We hear this time and time again. You've probably heard it the first time or multiple times, that Sayyidina Imam Jalaluddin Suyuti has saw the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam 70 times almost in a wakeful state. He was the same Imam Jalaluddin Suyuti who was Tafsir of the Holy Quran, Tafsir Jalalain. And if you already know this, he's also the same individual who's memorized approximately 100,000 hadiths of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is what you call sacrifice, dear viewers of Madani Channel. This is what you call love for Sayyidina Rasulullah. These people did go far and wide. You know, it's not like today we download books on our phone and we sit at home and we still don't read. We're able to do this. These people, the likes of Imam Jalaluddin Suyuti, they would go far and wide, country to country, city to city, mountains to mountains, on camels or beside camels, walking. Imam Jalaluddin Suyuti, in this state, and many more awliya, would go and learn, and it's mentioned he learned approximately 100,000 sayings of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And one thing, dear viewers of Madani Channel, is learning 100,000 hadiths. Me and you don't know this. It's simple. He also memorized the sanad, the chains of every single one of those hadiths as well. This is Imam Jalaluddin Suyuti rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh. Let's go to Imam Qazi Iyaz rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh. Dear viewers of Madani Channel, he was a Maliki scholar of the Maliki madhab. And what was his sacrifices? You know, we talk about sacrifices and we talk about love. He wrote a book called Ash-Shifa Sharif. And this book, Ash-Shifa Sharif, just one point, dear viewers of Madani Channel. Imam Qazi Iyaz, there is so much to talk about regarding his blessed life and his sacrifices. He wrote such a book that this has been ultimately accepted by all the scholars of Islam. There is consensus that this book is an amazing and outstanding book talking about the attributes and life, the seerah of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, to the extent multiple commentaries have been written on this blessed book by Imam Qazi Iyaz rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh. And also the scholars say, just keeping this book, you know, we sacrifice for Sayyidina Rasulullah, we love the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Looking at the lives of the awliya, what do you learn? When they do these things, how can their sacrifices not be accepted in the court of Allah and His Rasul? Meaning to say, this book from Qazi Iyaz Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, Ash-Shifa Sharif. The scholars have gone as far as to say, some scholars, that just having this book in your home removes pain and affliction and troubles and illnesses. Subhanallah. And then when you talk about, Subhanallah, Ghaus Pak radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, pick up the books and read his seerah as well. What was his sacrifices for the best of creation? Allahu Akbar. How did he change the millions and millions of people for the religion of Sayyidina Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, bringing them closer through him to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And just to finish off, dear viewers of Madani Channel, respected elders, how could I not talk about the Mujaddid, Subhanallah, Ala Hazrat, Imam Ahl Sunnat, Imam Ahmad Riza Khan, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. You know, there's so many aspects of his blessed life where we can talk about his sacrifice and his love. But I think the greatest thing I could say is, you know, his book, Hadai-Ki Bakshish, his poetry, that will have everything regarding the love of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. And regarding that poetry, dear viewers of Madani Channel, if you open that book and you start reading that book, you will find Waha kya juda karam hai shah bataha tera, nahi sunta hai nahi mangane wala tera. He says, oh wow, how amazing, oh the King of Makkah, is your kindness and generosity. The one who seeks from you, he never hears the word no or any negativity. Subhanallah. Allah Hazrat, you look at Hadai-Ki Bakshish again, you know, there's so many things we could talk about. We are still on the poetry of Allah Hazrat. La wa Rabbil Arsh, jisko jo mila unse mila, batti hai konain mein ni'mat Rasulullah ki. By the Rabb, Allah Hazrat also is taking a qasam. What everybody has, what I have received, it is through the blessings of Sayyidina Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He goes as far as to say, everything in existence, it is being distributed, whatever they have, because of the blessings of Sayyidina Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear viewers of Madani Channel, respected elders, this is the life of Allah Hazrat, the life of Ghaus Pak, the life of Imam Jalaluddin Suyuti, the life of Imam Qazi Iyaz, the life of Imam Azam, Imam Abu Hanifa, Imam Shafi, Imam Malik, Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal, the life of the Sahaba, Sayyidina Ali, Sayyidina Uthman, Sayyidina Umar, and Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Truly, truly, dear viewers of Madani Channel, I leave you with this message. We can't comprehend the life that these awliya lived. Because why? Every single breath and second was for the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Whatever they did, it was all to attain the pleasure of Allah and His Rasul. You pick up the lifestyle of Allah Hazrat, you will find multiple books like Hadai-Ki Bakshish praising the Prophet Muhammad. You pick up any book regarding the Sayyid of Ghaus Pak, do it, dear viewers of Madani Channel. Seriously, today, after this episode, go onto the Dawat Islami website, please, it's a humble request, and go and learn the lives of these pious individuals, the awliya Allah. They will teach you how to love Sayyidina Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And this is the final message I can give you. Make sure to keep watching Madani Channel, stay attached with this environment of Dawat Islami, and inshallah Azza wa Jal, through the blessings of this, through the blessings of our Murshid, Muhammad Ilyas Attar Qadri, Damat Barakatumul Aliyah, we will continue to show love with every second breath and life for the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.
The friends of Allah, the friends of Allah, they are the friends of Allah, the friends of Allah, the friends of Allah, the friends of Allah, they are the friends of Allah, the friends of Allah.